Okay, first visit our website qworld.co.in. On this corner you will see the login or sign up button. Then login with your email address and password that you have set. Once you log in, it will show this type of screen where your name will be shown here. So when you click on your name, it will take you to your dashboard. Once you are at dashboard, you can see whatever products that you have purchased will be shown in this dashboard. You can click on this product. Now the Q banks, if you have selected, it has two mode, practice mode and exam mode. If you select exam mode and click go, then automatically based on set parameters a quiz will start. Okay, so for example, in this set parameter there are total 10 questions which are there, so it will be a 10 question quiz which will be there, and then you can do next. You can choose your answer, right? And you have to submit it just like the exam. You cannot see the answer until the exam is finished. For example, we are submitting this for sake of our convenience, so we have submitted it and it will show you a result and detailed reports will be seen. Now again, you can click on your name, go to my account, okay, and again now we will see the practice mode. So in practice mode, you select the practice mode, then you can do the question filter also. Here there are all the chapters of your subjects will be there, so you can also practice chapter wise. So here the questions will be there. Now total 916 questions are there, and total 10 questions, or you can even add it also, you can make 23, but whatever questions you put, based on that the time to load will be little bit less or more depending on the number of questions. For example, we are just getting with the default question set, which is 10 questions, and then wait for some time, and this loading will depend on your speed of internet. If you are using broadband or 5G, it will be much faster, as you can see here. So here 10 questions will be there. You can directly jump from this to any questions, or you can go next and do submit, and you can even see the answers as well as the option statistic. So I hope this solves the queries how to access and use the question banks.